Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is iPhone 16 Plus, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable Hey Siri command of Siri on this device. Alright, so first to do this we have to open our settings. Now we have to scroll down a bit and find Siri option. Here we have to open Talk to Siri option. First we have to enable our Siri, and right here we have to choose Hey Siri or second option Siri or Hey Siri. I'm gonna choose Hey Siri. Now we have to set up Hey Siri, so we have to click here Continue. We have to say what they want us to say. Hey Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set the timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Hey Siri, play some music. And now as you can see, Siri is ready. Now look. Hey Siri. And it's working. So that's it. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!